Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very quick video. So we're on the Landrover Discovery 3 and I noticed that all my auxiliary power sockets, so this is in the left hand one on the UK right hand drive car, so you got one here, one in the second row of seats and one in the boot. All of them didn't work. Taking the glove box off, so if you take the glove box down you'll see fuse panel. Now if you look right where my torch is there, you'll see that is our relay R1 and mine is missing. Now that powers the all of those sockets. So the idea is when you open the door, the relay energizes and the power to the sockets is there, and when you close the door the relay after a while de-energizes and then you lose the power in the sockets. Okay, so mine's missing, so I don't have a relay, so what I'm going to do is jump the top one there to the bottom one there, and I'll put up a diagram now on the screen. And what that does, that enables the sockets to be live all the time. So that's what we're going to do. Just made up this jumper cable. It's a nice thick cable, so it will cope with the power. And I'm just going to insert it. Very hard to do. Right, there you go. So the top one is 12 volts in the engine bay, and the bottom one goes to all three auxiliary sockets. They are individually fused as well on the left, so any problems will blow a fuse. So let's go and see if it works. Right, so this is the one in the second seat, and as you can see, that is all nicely powered up. So just going to test the back one. Right, so this is the one on the left hand side of the boot. Set that in there. There you go. Powered. Finally, the one in the front row. There you go. Nicely lit up. Anyway, hope you like the video. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.